Hello beautifuls! Today I'm going to share 25 iPad tips and tricks you probably don't know in this video. So if you would like to see what they are, just keep watching. And also don't forget to subscribe if you enjoy this content. And also hit the like button if you found this information helpful. I also want to let you guys know that I did do an iPad Air 4 unboxing, so just click the little link up top to check it out. And without further ado, let's get into the 25 iPad Air tips and tricks you probably didn't know. Use every single finger during the fingerprint scanning. You can also use your right and left fingers. It'll tell you to scan the same finger multiple times. Instead, just use a different finger each time. Then use another fingerprint scan to scan your opposite hand. You'll find yourself using the iPad in different positions, so it'll be convenient to have every single finger scanned. Middle swipe for search. R-type commands search if you're using a keyboard. Normally with the iPhone you just swipe from the top, but in this case you swipe from the middle. If you have an iPad pencil, you can use it to open Note. Once your iPad is on the lock screen, you just tap it with your pen. Move multiple apps at the same time when organizing your home screen. If you want to move multiple apps at once when organizing your home screen, you just press and hold on an app. Go to the edit home screen, then tap the app again with one finger, then tap all the other apps with another finger. Copy and paste to and from multiple devices. Say you need to transfer something over from your iPad to your Mac or your iPad to your phone, you can just copy and paste text or even handwritten text. Press and hold on an icon to reveal more information. This is equivalent to a right click on your desktop. You can also do this in the area in the upper right corner by sliding down. If you have an Apple Pencil, you can screenshot with your Apple Pencil, or just do it the old-fashioned way and use your fingers. There's a new home screen widget feature. You can add widgets to your home screen, or you can keep it or remove it. The new iPad Air comes with a split screen. You just take the app that you want to add and then you slide it up here. You can also change the size, you can make it bigger or smaller, and then you just swipe to remove it. You can also take another app, a third app, and then you could place that on top and then you can toggle it around. On this keyboard, you can swipe down while typing. So instead of having to press the shift to get extra keys, you could just swipe down. You can adjust and move the keyboard around. 2 fingers to swipe out, and then you can do 2 fingers to swipe back in, make it small, and then you can also move the keyboard around. Also, with a smaller keyboard, you can do swipe. You can move the cursor with the keypad. You press and hold spacebar, press down anywhere with 2 fingers, and then you can highlight any part on the screen. You can scan documents, just long press hold on the notes and click scan documents, and it works just like a scanner. Watch YouTube videos in window mode. You want to go to YouTube on Safari and then click the AA and request mobile website. And after you click this little thing in the corner, make it full screen, press this up top, and then you'll have it in the corner no matter where you go. Only issue with this is that you do have to repeat these steps every single time you do this. Go to the home screen, use all 5 fingers to pinch in fast or pinch in slowly, show other apps. Use 4 fingers and swipe to switch between apps. You can switch left or switch right. You can click and drag text into a message. You can also click and drag photos. You can see the weather and air quality in Maps. Just go to Maps and Settings and enable the air quality index and weather conditions. Once you get into the map, just click and hold and it will take you to the website weather report. You can reply to a specific message. This is similar to Facebook Messenger. Just click on it like you would in Facebook Messenger, and then you could see all the replies to that specific message. In Safari, you can show a preview of the website. You just click and hold. You can drag and drop photos. Again, you can drag them into messages. You can also drag them into a notes app. This is really convenient. Now you can drag and drop events in calendar. If you have an Apple Pencil, you can write in any search field. This is really convenient, especially when you have to write in emails. Now here are some iPad pencil tips and tricks when you are writing. You can find this information on the Tips app, or you can refer to here. You can draw shapes. Sorry for the blurriness, but yeah, you can draw them and then make them into real shapes. You just draw the shape and then you hold down. Double tap the top area of your pencil to get the eraser, and then double tap it again to bring the pen back. You can move text around. Just select the thing you want to move and move it. Use scribble to delete text. If you want to delete the text, you literally just draw like a squiggly line across it. You can also draw a line across to highlight. Add a line to create a space, add a line to remove a space. Change handwritten text to text. You can add drawings in an email. And last but not least, you can search for certain photos or text. Just go into your Photos app, Photos album, and search for a word.